What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see what is a conditional operator is. Conditional operator is basically like an if-else statement in a short form. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's say let's go ahead and introduce some integer type of variable. In integer I put integer age, and let's say the age is equal to 45, and the conditional statement will look like this. First we will have system.out system SYSTEM system.out system.out.println age is greater than 50 question mark, and if the condition is true, it's going to print out the first one. So let's say first one is you are old. If it's not true, it's going to print out the second one. Let's say that is you are young. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Since this is 45, it's not greater than 50, so it should print out you are young. Or let's put since I already tried this one and got you are young, let's try something above 50. Let's say 55, because that will print out you are old. So let's put 55 right here, 55, and let's run this one. Now you can see this is saying you are old, and if I change into less than if I change something less than 50, it's going to print out you are old. Actually, you are young. Let's put 40 and run this one. You are young, and that's it. That's how it works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.